guys, this is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. So today let's talk, and what are we talking about? Revenge trading and over trading. These two enemies, believe me, they can send you back to the village, okay? And a lot of people, sometimes it's really hard to avoid them. Yes, even though we know very well they are killing us, but it's still very difficult to avoid them. So today, how are you going to overcome these two enemies such that it will help your trading journey or it will help you grow? That is what we are talking about today. So what is revenge trading in the first place? Now, if you want to understand revenge trading, but before we talk about the revenge trading, make sure you like, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you follow me on TikTok as well, and if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio, so you don't miss any of my videos, you don't miss any of the signals I provide for you. So let's jump into the video. Now, revenge trading is a trade we take after a losing trade. Simple, right? A trade we take after a losing trade. And sometimes somebody will ask, why is it a revenge? Yes, I lost money, I lost a trade, I've gotten another opportunity, I want to trade again. Is this a revenge? Okay, so let's dive into it. Sometimes your daily drawdown, okay, the amount of money you want to lose within the day is, let's say, $100, right? And of course, you have exceeded the $100. You entered two positions whereby the first trade gave you $50 loss. You went in again and it gave you another $50 loss, right? What are you supposed to do? At the end of the day, you have to close for the day, go and sleep, come back the next day and continue. But there is something inside you which will tell you, bro, you really need to get this money back. How can you lose $100 when the market is not closed? You still have opportunities to recover your loss and even make more profit. Revenge. The moment this comes into mind, believe me, most of the times it ends in tears. At the end of the day, you wanted to risk $100 or you lose $100 for the day, but you end up losing like $300. Why? Because the moment the revenge comes into play, one, you are not thinking straight. Two, you are not going to see what you are supposed to see. Three, you are going to increase your lot size because you want to recover the loss and also make profits. Four, you are not even going to calculate your risk and reward. Sometimes you'll be like, oh Charlie, let me take just 30 pips. And if I open bigger lot size and I take just 30 pips, it will recover all my loss. So at the end of the day, you are not even going to check your risk to reward until you lose that trade again, right? This is what becomes revenge. So when you lose a trade, it is better you go sleep, right? Avoid the market completely, come back the next day and continue with your journey. All right, if you don't do it this way and you must recover your earlier trade or your earlier loss, then believe me, you are going to lose more. But sometimes it works for you, right? So it makes you happy. If I had gone to sleep, I wouldn't have recovered my loss. I would have closed the day in loss. But now I'm in profit. Now I'm in break even. You are happy. But believe me, subsequent days ahead, it will mess your life. I was really struggling with this. Okay, sometimes I will make profits on gold, then I'll be like, oh, let me go and make some more profit on BTC or Nasdaq US 30, and I end up in a deep shit. So I made a decision not to trade any other pair apart from gold, and once I lose, I've lost. Now these days, I am good at that. I can end the day in loss, nothing is happening. It's normal. You get it? Yeah, so guys, if you lose a trade, do not try to trade again by trying to recover the earlier loss. All right, if you try to do this, you will end up in a deep shit. So this is what we termed as the revenge trading, of which you as a trader must avoid at all costs. Okay, so the second one we are talking about, and if you have not joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. If you haven't followed me on TikTok here, make sure you follow me as well. And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, the link is in the bio as well. If you are watching on YouTube too, just click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification so that any post I post or anything I post, you get access to it, and it's going to help you. All right, also kindly share the video to as many people as you want. So the second one we are talking about is the overtrading. What is overtrading? Overtrading is not only when you are trading. No, just like it goes hand in hand with the revenge trading. All right, but this one there is a slightly different. With overtrading, you have hit your daily profit target, you have hit your daily loss target, yet you still want to trade more. Becomes overtrading. And one thing you should know is that when the market gives you something and you still want more, you end up losing everything because it will still take back. Because when you are too confident, you wake up early morning and you saw a nice opportunity which gave you like 100 pips, and you have made enough profit, of which you are supposed to close for the day, you'll be like, oh, the day is still young, so let me go and trade more. The moment you do start doing this, believe me, the market will mess your life. At the end of the day, you might even go home with negative balance. All right, you might go home with negative balance. So when you hit your daily targets, whether being profit or loss, accept it. Go and sleep. Do not try to trade more. Do not try to get more. All right. Sometimes you see a person, that same person is trading gold, he's trading Euro USD, NZD USD, AUD card, whatever. One person, one account, you see like 10 pairs running. You understand? Yeah, so try as much as possible. When you set a daily target, being the loss, being the profit, you should always have a target. Loss target, profit target. All right. Once you exceed any of them, close. Sometimes somebody will be like, oh, Charlie, I have hit my daily profit target, but I have not hit my daily loss target, so let me go again and make more profits. At the end of the day, you will see that the profit will now turn to loss and he will hit his daily loss targets. Don't do this. Okay, so make sure that when you hit your daily profit target, you are out of the market. When you hit your daily loss target, you are out of the market. Do not overtrade. Do not try to trade more. Okay, the more you try to trade, the more money you lose. Sometimes we think that when we trade more is when we make more profit. It is never true. Don't let anybody deceive you. All right, it's never true. You make profit or you make more profit when you trade less. Yes, this is how it is. You make more profit when you trade less. So don't let anybody deceive you and say, oh, Charlie, the more you trade, the more profits you make. It is never true. Because the more you trade, the more mistakes you make. And the more mistakes you make, the more losses you make. That is how it goes. So always make sure that you are trading that small quantity. Once you hit your daily limit, you close. Whether you lose or you make profit, you close. So guys, I'm sure this video really helps you. If it did, kindly give a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, join the Telegram community if you haven't joined, and also share the video for somebody else to also watch. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day.